Create Agile contact from Microsoft Excel automatically. So Agile is an all-in-one business management platform, and assume that you have lead and contact information in your Excel file which you want to automatically import to your Agile software. Then this video is for you, because here I'll show you whenever a new lead or contact is added to Excel, how the same contact can be created in your Agile software automatically. Want to learn how you can create a sync in these two software? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So I have added one lead information in my Excel sheet, and now I'll show you how the same lead can be created as a contact in our Agile software. Okay, and in order to automate this process, firstly we will have to build a connection in this Excel and Agile application, which I am going to do with the help of software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as create Agile contact from Microsoft Excel. Okay, now simply click on create, and after that you will find two boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. So this is how you need to always choose the applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. So according to our use case, we want that whenever any new contact information is added in Microsoft Excel, the same person should be created as a contact in Agile application automatically. Okay, so I have selected both the application in this trigger and the action window, and now the idea here is, firstly I will connect to Microsoft Excel with Pabbly Connect, and then I will connect Pabbly Connect with the Agile. In this way I am going to automate this process. So let us connect to Microsoft Excel with Pabbly Connect, for which firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new row in worksheet, because I want to perform the same, that whenever a new row is added, basically a new data is added in the row of worksheet, this automation should trigger, or we can say the data should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so clicking on connect, clicking on add a new connection, clicking on this button, and then you will have to provide the access of your Excel sheet, basically your Excel account, and further you will also have to provide the permission. Okay, but I have provided this access multiple times, so I am going with the existing connection. Okay, so clicking on save, and this is how my Microsoft Excel account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And if you also want to go with the existing connection, make sure that you provide the access in the first time, and after that you can also reuse the existing connection. Okay, so here you can notice it is connected, and because we are connected, whatever the workbooks are available in my Excel account have started visible here, and I am going to select this all contacts and leads data, this specific workbook. Okay, so let me search for the same. All right, so I have selected the same, and as soon as I select the workbook, you will notice the worksheet will be also selected, because I have a single sheet only. Okay, now I just need to click on this button, and you will notice that whatever the most recent data added in our Excel sheet, the same data will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so fingers crossed, waiting for the response, and here you can notice the response is received, and here you can notice the same information, test customer at pabblytudes.com, and the phone number, country and city. Okay, here also you can notice test customer at pablitudes.com, the phone number, country code and city. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that connection in Excel and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. So now onwards, what will happen? Every time you and your team member will add new data here, the data will be captured via Pabbly Connect automatically in every 8 hours, because this trigger will check for new data in every 8 hours. Basically, it is not going to capture the data in real time but in every 8 hours. But don't worry about that, your data will surely be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And once we have the data inside Pabbly Connect, we can send that data to any other application. Okay, according to our use case, we are sending this data to Agile application. Basically, from this choose app section, you can select any application and send the data. Okay, but currently I'll go with the same, that is Agile. And just like we have connected Excel and Pabbly Connect, now I will be connecting Agile and Pabbly Connect. So firstly, I will select the action event, that is create a contact. Clicking on connect, then clicking on add new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the API key, for which you will have to visit the settings and then API settings. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Here you will find the option of settings at the bottom left corner. Further, you will find the option of API settings, and from here you can copy your API key. Okay, so I have copied the same. Let me paste the same. Clicking on save, and this is how my Agile application account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and now it is asking for the details which are actually required for creating a contact in the software. Okay, so firstly it is asking for the first name, last name. Now you tell me from where I'm going to provide this data. Remember, we have already captured that data as a response of our first step. And the interesting thing is, I am not going to manually copy this data and paste here again and again. I am going to map the above data. And mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the same data, the above data, here in the drop down. Simply select that data, and this is how it will be mapped. Okay, in the same way I will map other information, but you must be thinking, what is this mapping? So whatever the details we will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time. Basically, the data which I am mapping here will be replaced automatically, but just in case if I will provide any data manually here, that data will remain same. Okay, so this is the power of mapping, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation. And basically this is how this automation is going to take place. Okay, so I think I have provided all the important data. Okay, now it is also asking for the role, that whatever the contact you are created, whether it is a lead, a client or a prospect. Okay, so how about I go with the same, clicking on this button save and send test request, and then waiting for the response to receive. And here you can notice that a positive response is also received. Going back to the dashboard of Agile CRM, okay, I have clicked on this dashboard, and now I will visit the contact section. Okay, so under the CRM we have the contact section, which I am going to open here, and let us check whether the contact is created or not. And here you can notice the same person with the same first name, last name, email address has been added as a contact in our Agile CRM. Okay, you can also find other details related to this contact here, like the contact phone. Okay, so in this way you can import your Excel data to Agile software automatically without doing anything manually. Okay, I'm really sorry for that, without doing anything manually. Okay, you just need to create a workflow inside Pabbly Connect for once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, so every time a new data is added in Excel, the same data will be created as a contact in Agile. And just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same two-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.